Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to get a voice chat in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So guys, the bad news is that there isn't actually a inbuilt native voice chat in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So that's actually not a problem because nowadays people don't even use these inbuilt video game chats that much. People are just using Discord or maybe any other pretty much messenger that has the ability to call, make a call, especially the group call. So let's just use Discord, guys. So in your Discord, you just go ahead and add your friends. You can create a group call with them, or you can just create a group chat. It's all free. For example, I have this test server created. You just create a server, then you create a voice channel like this. Just get into the voice channel, and in here you can just unblock your voice, your pretty much microphone and stuff. You can also enable the camera if you wish. As you can see, there's a camera icon. And in here you guys can just chat, voice chat, and play together. So enjoy. As you can see, there's no issue. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.